Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Rita and of course I'm the cooking nurse, and today we're not going to be cooking. I've received a few products from my friend Noreen of Urban Households YouTube, and you guys have been asking me where I buy my pans. So when I got this new set, I was like, today I'm going to unbox this one on camera, and that is what I'm going to be doing here. But of course I got some few other items as I'm going to be showing you. But before you get into the video, please subscribe to this channel. It helps me reach out to other people, and it's like the way of supporting me, which is not costly, yeah, because the subscription is free. Unless you want to join my members only group, then you can just check it out on my profile, and then give this video a like, leave me a comment, of course, of your favorite item and the one that you think you're going to be getting from Urban Households again. And I think we are ready now, right? Let's get into the video. So the first item I'm going to be unboxing is this vacuum insulated mug. It can keep hot and cold items, and I like it because first of all it's famous more than me and then again it's like tall. It takes in almost a liter of liquid. It has a straw, and I think my favorite color is green and then black next. But on a normal day, you're going to catch me wearing all black, like normal, unprovoked. I'm going to be walking around black. So this is going to be a good compliment. And I also prefer to take my water warm-ish. Yeah. And then, of course, our Instagram influencers who are telling us about, drinking lemon water and stuff for the fat belly. This is going to work. So I got it also so that I can use it for that particular reason. And the good thing is it has a straw. So if you're in office, you can also get this for your teas and whatever else you want to carry to office. Of course, the boss will not know what you're carrying because you're sharp. I'm teaching you the tricks. I have not worked in office before, so please tread carefully. So yeah, this is the mug. This is the first item that I think is going to work over time, and I don't plan on paying it. Hey, the straw is not going through. What is happening? Yeah. There we are. So I'm going to have to make some tea. I think I should also brand it. But anyways, that is the first item. And the second item that I got are these silicone covers, and this is how they look like. There are 6 of them inside, and you can just use these ones to cover maybe a salad, or you're marinating your meats overnight, or you have a fruit that is cut, maybe a watermelon or a pineapple, and you do not want to chop it into smaller pieces to go in the freezer or the fridge. Then you can simply put this over or around, and you're covering it safely. So it helps keep your items in the fridge safe and free from contamination, and it also saves you on how much cling film you use. Oh my god, like cling film is not so cheap, but every time you have to cover something, cling film, paper bags. These are going to do the trick, and there are 6, and they come in different colors, of course, from the shop, and then also different sizes. So they can cover different kinds of items, be it a tomato, be it an onion, be it a green pepper, or smaller containers. So I got these ones just for that particular reason. Marinating overnight or proofing dough will teach you that you need to work harder, especially for cling film. So I think you should get these ones, by the way. And the next item that I got is this wooden paper towel stand. I didn't have one. I was improvising by putting my kitchen towels in a planter, but when I saw this one and it's wood, I was like, I'm in for this one. So I got it. I think, let me just open it and we see if we can install it on camera, or we have to call the husband. That is what men are for in the kitchen. Please don't be changing the rights or doing all this hard work. That is what men are made for. You're welcome. You should also be following me, by the way, for marriage tips. Yeah, so this wooden thing has a screw and a nut inside. So all you have to do is just put it in. We don't need a husband here. My single babes, you're in good hands. You're in luck today. I think you should get this one. Don't get thoughts, okay? Don't get thoughts. I can see you. But anyways, this is how it looks like, and now we are ready to put on our kitchen towels and just simply roll out, and we are good. So I think I've overscrewed it so it's not quite sitting properly. So I think this should be perfect. This is wood, and I think I love wooden things. Look at the dining table. But yeah, so this was our third item, and Of course, it's used for, and I think you should get it too. Actually, you should get everything that we are going to unbox today. Yeah. And the next item that I got is this oil spray bottle. Now, I have tried. I have not done so well with, healthy eating and stuff. But I try and follow Dr. Kisenene where I can. And he's been saying that we shouldn't be using too much oil. Yes, we buy it, we know it, it's our money. You shouldn't be telling us what to do. But sometimes you sit down and you're like, nah, fachi. So I got this spray bottle where I just put in oil, and it's very easy for me to spray around instead of pouring around. Yeah, depending on what I'm making. For example, it's an egg. I just don't want too much oil soaking up my egg, so I can simply just spray around. Or if I want to maybe bake something in the oven and I don't want to be brushing the butter or the oil the whole time, then this spray is going to come in handy. It's glass. It's aesthetically pleasing. It looks so good. I can't wait to use this one. If you follow me on my Instagram, you most likely are going to see this more in my reels and TikToks. And of course, here, you know me. When I buy something, until it asks for water. One of the things that are going to ask for water is this bottle because, anyways, let it rest for now because it's about to get to work overtime. To be honest, I do not know where I got this second or other next item. It looks good. It looks cute, like when you're cutting simple fruits for a guest that just popped in. I have a studio, so I be making things when people are like watching. This one I was going to do, and I love green, so I got it in green, and it's plastic. So, and also on its description, it shows that it does not scrape, so it should be able to work perfectly well. And this is how it looks like. It has a gold touch, and it can sit on its own. We are here for cool things, right? Yeah. So this is supposed to be helping me in cutting simple fruits, garnishes, and yeah. Of course, I'm going to get more extra. Don't be asking me where are the colors. You're going to cut garlic on that. No, I have the wooden one. It's the bigger one, yeah? But if you want to get this one, you get it. If you don't want to get it, please leave because I think you don't even need it, but you should get it if you love good things and you want to separate your cuts from getting, cross-contaminated, or maybe the flavor of garlic going into your mangoes and stuff like that, or you can't wash the wood properly like I could do. But yeah, so my cute chopping board is here. Let it rest also. It will work. That is for sure. Now, I know you guys. I know you're about to ask, why is the kettle open? It's because I was testing it. What if it was breakable or not true? Because when I told Noreen that I didn't have a kettle, she was like, okay, no problem. I think I could plug you. So when she was sending me these things, she also added me a kettle. It's a whiskey kettle, so whenever you are visiting, we are going to be making tea for you. Guys, please make sure to come and shoot your content from my studio, by the way. I'm going to do a tour video very soon. It's going to be on my channel. So make sure to check on my videos and look inside. We're going to be telling stories and creating content like pros. So this one is waiting for you to make tea for you. So please come through. So this is how it looks like. And the good thing is it has this tea brewer, so I can easily put in my tea bags or like actual tea or even coffee and put in my boiling water and cover and let it brew. It's stainless steel. Apparently it whistles. Yeah, again, if you follow me on my socials where I post everything daily, you're going to see this also. Not so often, I'm not a coffee or a tea person, but I drink more hot water, so maybe with a mug. So I'm so excited about this one. And that is how it looks like. Elegant. And then of course the goats. This one is, first of all, I'm excited about it, but secondly, I'm annoyed with it because if you read here, it is going to this brother says 12 pieces cookware. Yeah, 12 pieces. Let me show you 12 pieces. Just stay with me. Very good, very good. This one, this cover, as you can see, it is counted as a piece. My bro, do I look stupid to you? The pieces we are counting are the actual pans, I'm buying 12 pieces, and we are counting even the covers. Anyways, I'm not mad because they are heavy. So anyways, we have the covers. They are glass covers, so you can see what is simmering inside. You don't have to keep on opening and checking and then covering again like that. And there are 6 of them. You shouldn't even be mentioning this should be a given. Like, I know they are going to be covers. So on top. This is how it comes packed. There is a manual, but of course you guys know how we roll. Yeah, you know how we roll. We will have this thing written on everything that we need to know. But no, I will throw this away and I'm going to call Noreen when it's time to cook. Hey babes, how do we use this one? Yeah, that is how we do this thing in Africa. So the exciting thing is I got a new stock pan. You guys know my old stock pan. It's also stainless steel and this is like a 7 liter. So this is how it looks like, and stainless steel, so easy to maintain. As I make money and save up for, enamel cast irons that weigh like my children, I'm going to be using these ones, and they are heavy based. So there are other pots inside. And the other upside about these pots is that you can cook in them and also serve in them. So this is like so small. You want to make like a dish, you have children, that you want to make maybe mashed potatoes or maybe steam some vegetables, this guy. So that is how it looks like. And then, of course, the other cover, part of the 6 pieces. I don't know why they are annoying me because they were included. I shouldn't be mad at you guys, but you were included in the wrong equation. Now I had to count properly when the things arrived. So it's a heavy base. It can work on a gas cooker, it can work on a sigiri, it can work on an induction cooker or an electric coil or plate. And look at that. So much easier to clean with steel wire, and like it's coated cousins, like you're going to see, because this particular set has a coated cousin inside with Teflon. That one will just be on holiday here. So we also got this one. It's a milk pan or soup pan or stock pan, whatever you want to cook in here. Maybe water, simple things. Yeah, it has a handle, so it's much easier to cook with. And I think all of them actually do have handles. And then we also have this one. Ideally, this should be not commercial, just family setup. Yeah. So this is how it looks like. Also, medium size, not as big as the stock pan. The stock pan is 7 liters, and this guy here is 2 liters. So as you can see, it's like 5 generations down. And then we also got this one. You guys have to show up at every stage now. How many of you have reached? So anyways, I think they pack them in these polythene bags so they do not scratch on the way and you start blaming them. This was 2 liters, this is 2.5. So you can make katogo in here, you can make bushera, you can make Irish, you can make pretty much everything. Your pastas, you can make your stews in here. You can cook and serve in these ones. Heavy base. Yeah. And then, where's the 6th piece? Please. These are the 12th ones. Oh. Aha. Now, some marketing. Go on. Be down there. So, here are the covers for the young brothers. I think. These are the young brothers. And these are their covers. So, they look like this. Cook and serve in the same pots. And then we have here the Rebel. This one is a saucepan, very good, heavy based, but it's coated with Teflon, and you need to take care of this one like it is your baby. You don't have to scratch it. You cannot pour hot water, water when it's still hot. You need to handle it with care because otherwise it's going to peel off. But I'm going to be using this one, of course, and I will share how it's going. I can't promise to use it a lot, but I'll be using it. I'll be sharing the progress. So this is the cousin that came in accidentally, because when we have stainless steel and then this brother, the African, in the mixture, please. But otherwise, I'm excited about my pans, and I can't wait to cook in them pretty much everything, especially these two. These two, pretty much everything. And then most of these ones are like for simple things. When I'm making something small, maybe for the guests or for the kids. And just like that, this is our new set of pans. For everyone who has been asking me for where I buy my pans, this is a plug. Finally, the other ones I was thrifting and it was not reliable, because me too, I would go back and try to get another pan and I would not get them. But Urban Households is a reliable source for stainless steel pans, and they are affordable. The other pans are getting like one for 150 or 200. This one, the whole set of stainless steel, is the same heavy base, but not second hand and brand new. The set I got it, I think 300 or 350 or something. All of them 6. So me, when I divide, I'm like, this is a deal, because each one of them I would have gotten them for maybe extra if I was thrifting like once in a while. But now I have a whole set and I'm ready to roll. So you enroll for classes, you're gonna use them. You come in for the studio, you're gonna have to serve from them, and I can't wait to see you as you use them, and you also watching me use these ones over time. Alright, that's all we got from Urban Households Yuchi, and I hope you see an item that you like and you go on ahead to buy it. Please remember to let her know that I sent you, okay? Yeah, maybe she'll send me something free in the future. I do not promise to be doing more haul videos, because by the time I open the new things, I've already cooked in them. By the time I remember to record them. But anyways, thank you so much for being here. I hope you remember to subscribe, and I'll be seeing you soon in my next videos. Bye!